Uber Eats can limit order access or even deactivate accounts if your driver rating drops below the market minimum. That rating is one of the biggest factors Uber uses to measure delivery quality. By the end of this, you'll know why your rating drops, how to fix it fast, and how to keep it high enough to stay active. First, here's the main thing. Your Uber Eats rating comes from customer thumbs up and thumbs down. It's not based on how many total deliveries you've done. It's based on your most recent ratings. That means one bad week can hit hard, but it also means you can recover. If your rating is low, open the Uber Driver app and check your feedback tab. That's where the pattern usually shows up. If you see complaints like late delivery, the fix starts with timing. Use built-in navigation, but double-check apartment numbers and gate codes before leaving. A 5-minute mistake at pickup usually becomes a 20-minute delay at drop-off. If restaurants are running late, use the Order Not Ready option in the app. That creates a record and helps explain delays. Next problem. Poor communication. A lot of low ratings happen because customers don't know what's going on. Send a quick message if traffic is bad, if parking is hard, or if the restaurant is delayed. One sentence is enough. Restaurant is running 10 minutes behind. I'll head out as soon as it's ready. That small update can stop a bad rating. Now, check your delivery habits. Make sure drinks are upright. Use insulated bags. Confirm names before leaving. If you deliver to the wrong door, even once, that can trigger a thumbs down fast. Photos matter too. When you leave food at the door, take a clear photo with the house number or apartment visible if possible. That protects you if a customer claims the order never arrived. If your rating is already close to Uber's minimum, avoid stacking too many deliveries at once. More orders can mean more money, but they also increase mistakes. Focus on shorter trips, better neighborhoods you know well, and restaurants with fast prep times. That builds clean ratings faster. Here's the short version. Low ratings usually come from late deliveries, poor communication, or wrong drop-offs. Fix timing, message customers early, and handle food carefully. Your next batch of ratings matters more than old ones. Your next step is simple. Check your last negative feedback and fix that exact issue on your next 10 deliveries. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more delivery app fixes and earning guides.